Hey, it's a brand new day on Gillum Farms, and I'm Johnny. And I guess you'll notice I've got on a cap, and that's because I've got to get my head down into the dash of this truck right here. So I'm in a 2004 Dodge Ram 3500, and I'm going to let you listen to what I have to listen to. You hear that? Sometimes it's even worse. The fan motor is basically out. So let's change it. All right, hopefully you can see what I can see here. So this is the old fan blower motor, and what I've got to do is I've got to take this out. The bolts on this thing, which here's one right here, are 8mm. So, yep, that's right. And I'm going to take these out, and we will put the new one in. All right, I've got two of the bolts out. There's one more right here in the back. Last bolt. All right, there it comes down. I figured I'd find something in it, but I don't. It's just worn out. Yeah, listen to that. That is worn out. All right, let me take the connector loose on it. All right, it's out. Let's get the new one and put it in. All right, first things first. Let's compare the new with the old and make sure we've got the right part here. Alright, it looks right like that. Where you hook up the connector looks correct right here and there. They appear to be the same part number or part. They're made slightly different, of course. I'm sure this is the stock one that came with the truck, and this is whatever Murray puts out. So there's the part number, and I'm going to put this in right now. All right, so let me plug this in. Okay, I've got this all plugged in, so let's put it on up in here now. All right. The way this goes is it's plumb around to where you can see the lettering right here. And you should be able to put one right here. There's one. The next one goes out out this point right out here. I've got it started. All right, let's put that last screw in on the back side. All right, I've got all the screws started. Let me tighten it up. All right, it's all tight. It's in there, it's plugged in the way it's supposed to be. Let's see how it sounds. Oh, so nice, so nice. Very nice. I can use my air conditioner today. All right, so it's all installed, it's all done. So now we have a new heater blower motor on a Ram 3500, and so I can use the air conditioner again in the heat, because it was annoying as heck to try to use it before. So if you like this video and you learned a little bit from it, maybe you might want to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, everybody, and God bless. I'm glad to have that in there.